Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make a mask holder. I know that many of you are tired of using the mask because it damages your ears. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can make this accessory and you can wear it behind your head in the back, and you can place some buttons in each side, and from there you can take the mask and you can hold your mask and you will keep it all day and you will see it will be more comfortable. Well, remember that before we start, I invite all of you to subscribe and then I will give you the material list and the step by step. Well, if you want, you can make it in so many different colors and sizes. Well, let's start. To buy all the materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es and we will send it right to your house. Well, you can use any material that you have left from previous projects, and in this case I'm going to use this fine yarn and the hook of number 3. Okay, if you want, you can choose the color that you want, or also you can combine it different colors and different materials. We will make 5 chains and we will close in circle like this. We are going to slip 1. Okay, I will repeat. So here we have the 5 chains, so we are going to slip 1 to close like this. We are going to go up with 3 chains, turn over 1, and we will insert the hook in the same place and we are going to make a double crochet. We will leave the last loop in hold again, take 1, take 2, and leave the last one in hold. Once we have 3, we are going to bring them through 1 chain. And counting this chain, we are going to make 4 chains more, so at the end we will have 5. Then we are going to repeat. We are going to make a double crochet and leave the last loop in hold again until we have 3 double crochets together. At the end we will have 4 loops from the previous step. Then we are going to bring them through 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 chains, and we'll repeat. And like this we are going to make 8. So far we have made 2, right? Remember that between them we are going to make 5 chains. We are going to take the first one, the first 2, and we will leave the last loops in hold. Okay? Let me make this with you and then you will continue by your own until we have 8. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We finished making 5 chains, so we are going to slip 1 right here in the top of the last chains that we made, and we are going to slip 1. We are going to slip 1 until the middle of this space, and we will go up with 3 chains, okay? 1, 2, 3, and right inside here we are going to make 3 double crochets, okay? These double crochets will be of 3 crochets. So we will take 1, 2 and the last 2. So at the end we will have 4 double crochets, you see? Then 2 chains, and also in the same space we are going to make 4 double crochets. Together again, 2, 3 and 4. And here we have the first shell. So we made 4 double crochets, remember, of 3 crochets, then 2 chains, and again 4 double crochets. Right away, without making a chain, we will go to the next space and make single crochet. Then turn over and we will insert the hook in the next space, and right there we are going to make again 1 shell like the one that we made, okay? With 4 double crochets, then 2 chains, and then in the same space 4 double crochets. I will make it with you so we can review together how it is, okay? So it will be exactly the same with 2 chains between the 4 double crochets. So here we have 3 and 4. So this will be the second shell, okay? So at the end we will have something like this. We will turn around You will slip until the middle of the first space of the first shell, okay? And right here we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains, and we are going to make the same, but now instead of making 4 double crochets we are going to make 3. So we are going to make 3 double crochets, then 2 chains, and again in the same space 3 double crochets, all of them of 3 crochets and 3, okay? Well, without making any chain, we are going to go right to the next space. We are going to turn over before, and we are going to repeat 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 double crochets, all of them in the same space, and 3, then 2 chains, and again 3 double crochets. At the end of this shell we'll show you how it's looking. Then we will repeat what we made in the last one, remember? So we are here, okay? So at the end we are going to turn around and we will slip one until the middle of the first space of the first shell. So remember, first we made 4 double crochets, then we made 3 double crochets. Well, now we are going to make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, then 2 chains, and again 2 double crochet. You see how we are reducing, and at the end we will have a beautiful piece. So now we are going to continue with the second shell. It will be the same. We are going to make 2 double crochets. Remember, each double crochet of 3 crochets, so we will make 2, then 2 chains, and again 2 double crochets. If you're making this for a girl, well, I think this size is perfect, but for an adult I think that we should make more rows, okay? So now we made, remember, the 4 double crochets, and we make a single crochet here in the middle, then the 3 double crochets, and then 2 double crochets. Now turn around, we are going to slip until the center of the first space. We will make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so it will be the double crochet and the 2 chains in between, and then a double crochet. So here we have a V, then right away we will go to the next space and we are going to make a V right here, okay? So between each double crochet, 2 chains. So we have 4, 3, 2, and 1. At the end, turn around, we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains. Without making a chain, right away we are going to the end of the last row, and right there we are going to make a double crochet. So we will have something like this, okay? So now what we made in one side, we are going to repeat it in the other side. We will start right here, we are going to make a single crochet in the middle, and we will repeat. We will leave these 2 spaces there, okay? We won't use them, and at the end we will cut and we will hide this thread. Then we will skip this space and we will start right here, okay? Before you start, please check that you are in the right side, okay? So once you are sure, you are going to place your yarn there and we will start. We will go up with 3 chains. We are going to make, remember, first 4 double crochets, then 2 chains, and again in the same space 4 double crochets. So we are going to make 2 chains, and then remember in the same space the next 4 double crochets. At the end of the 4 double crochets, only in this row is where we are going to make a single crochet between the shells, okay? In the next rows we won't, okay? We are going to continue right away to continue making the shell. So we are going to repeat until here, okay? So we will make the next shell right here, then we will make 3, 2, and 1. We will finish making 3 chains and the double crochet. We'll see you at the end and I will teach you how we will finish. So look, I have both sizes finished, and now I'm going to teach you how we are going to make the flower that will go in the top. If you want, you can leave it like this too, but I will give it a final touch. Look, I made it in other colors and it looks like this. So you can combine your outfit with the holder that you will use. You see how it looks different? It looks so much better, right? If you want, you can decorate the center, placing a bottom of a pearl, or you can change the color of the flower. You can make your own combinations. So look, we are going to make the flower like this. Make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close in circle, taking both threads, bring them through. We will go up with 3 chains. We are going to make a double crochet. Remember, we are making this double crochet of 3 crochets. 1 more. After the first chains that we made, we are going to make 3 double crochets more. So at the end we will have 4. Then 2 chains. So this will be the first petal. And a single crochet. Okay, so we made 2 chains, then 1, 2, 3 double crochets, and we finish making a single crochet. Like this, we are going to make 5 petals. Okay, so again, 2 chains and then 3 double crochets and 3 and 2 chains and a single crochet. Okay, and like this until we have 5 petals. Okay, we are going to move and tie our petals a little bit so all can be in the same ring. And look, here I finished the flower, and now I'm going to leave a long thread so I can use it to sew later. Okay, we are going to finish making a chain and pull. Like I have already hid this thread too much, I'm going to cut it. Okay, I won't need it anymore. If you want, you can hide it even more. Well, now we are going to use this thread and our embroidery needle to join this flower with our project so we can decorate. If you want, you can make more flowers, or you can leave it like that, or you just can place some bottoms at the end, like I will show you also, or you can make it in different colors too. Okay, we are going to join it, taking the center and one of the petals, and like this we are going to alternate where we insert the needle. Okay, at the end we will try to hide all the loose ends that we have, and with this we finish. Oh well, also we have to place some bottoms in each corner so we can use it to take the elastics off our mask, right? So well, at the end we will hide it, and that's it. Let me hide it a little bit more through the project like this, and we will make this the same with the other loose ends that we have. Well, I will hide the threads with the embroidery needle. I will use the same technique. I will pass through the needle through the project like this. I remember that I like to use this technique a lot. It's one of my favorites because it's so easy. So I'm going to pass it through my project, and you see, like this you hide it. Then cut the rest. We are going to repeat the same in the other side, and that's it. We have to put some bottoms in each corner. In this case, I use the bottoms of the same color of the yarn, and you see, with this you will hold the elastic of your mask from one side and from the other side. So now we are ready. That's it. It was so easy, right? Well, I hope that you make it in so many different colors. Now let's see how it looks. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you make it in so many different colors. I think it's also an amazing idea to start your own business. I think that this idea is different, and nowadays it's very common to wear a mask, right? So everybody will need one. Well, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I invite all of you to subscribe, to follow me in all my social media, to give me a like, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Please don't forget to share also. Thank you so much. Bye.